What's up guys, welcome to another video of the Techies 50 Galaxy A14 design and specification leak ahead of launch. Yes, Samsung is working on the next 3 generation mid-range Galaxy A series smartphones for 2023. One of them is the Galaxy A14, an upgraded version of the Galaxy A13. According to a previous report, it carries model number SM-A14-6B and features 5G connectivity. We had predicted that this would be the first among the 3 upcoming A series phones to hit the market, and things seem to be going that way. And today we have the press centers as well as few key specifications of the Galaxy A14. Going by the latest images, the Galaxy A14 seems to have a design that is similar to its predecessor. That means it still has U-shaped display notch, a triple camera setup on rear, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, rounded corners and smooth edges. And according to the latest leak, the Galaxy A14 will have 6.8-inch LCD with full HD Plus resolution. That's a step up from the 6.6-inch HD Plus display on the Galaxy A13. That means it is going to be bigger than its predecessor in every dimension. The renders show that the phone is in plain black, but we are sure Samsung will launch in other colors also. And the report mentions that Samsung will launch only a 5G variant of the smartphone in Europe. With that, it will be the most affordable 5G phone from the Korean tech giant in the region. However, there is no information if a 4G version is in the works. Unlike the Galaxy A13, we hope that Samsung uses a more powerful chipset for the smartphone this time. Expect to see more leaks of the smartphone as it launch nears. What do you say about this design and this smartphone? Please let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.